Welcome to 167 Longview Avenue, Celebration, Florida. This single-family home is being brought to you by the KimHawk team of Florida Motion Realty. This one-story home at $419,000 is the most economically priced 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the town that Disney built. Remodeled kitchens, bathrooms, light fixtures, flooring, new paint. And when I say everything's been remodeled, I'm talking about plumbing. Ceilings have been redone. Mirrors. Everything is fresh in this home. The master suite sits in the back end of the home, nice and quiet. Double sinks. Large closet. And you have an attached 2-car garage, freshly painted flooring. Please come see this remodeled handiwork of this beautiful home where you will not have monthly condo fees to pay, and it'll be a long time before you have to do any remodeling. Enjoy the living of the town that Disney built.